Can you just imagine the whole plane in the middle of the forest?
No way!
Welcome to Seattle! Good morning! So right now 7:13 a.m.
Day 2 began with morning coffee and waffles with maple syrup at the free hotel breakfast place. Free isn't always bad, you know. Waffles were really good. It was already 9 a.m. and it was the time for us to leave our friends and continue our way to Seattle. 14 more hours of driving ahead. But now we got one more person going with us. Guess who is this? You're right, this guy. Vova changed his mind and decided to continue this adventure with us.
How's your trip so far?
It's really good. It's really good.
We said bye to everybody, and our first challenge was to find a free and safe place to park his car in San Francisco. It's always good to have many friends, because some of them can live in the place where you're traveling to. We parked his car and then we went to the closest mall, so Vova can buy some warm clothing for this trip. It was a long day driving. We decided to take a State Route 1, which runs along the Pacific coastline. It was a couple hours longer, but it was worth it. Probably the most beautiful road I've ever driven. We wanted to stop almost at every viewpoint. After 6 to 8 hours of driving, we saw a lighthouse, so we decided to take an exit and take a look what's up with it. Honestly, the main reason was to take some cool pictures. But it was kinda boring, so we turned around. On the way back to the freeway, I saw a nice cliff and we stopped to check it out.
Beautiful road, beautiful places, and we decided to stop here. I'll probably fly a drone if it's not too windy, but look at this. And we will go over there. So we will climb the fence right now and we'll try to get there. Actually, you don't even need to climb it.
It was very cold and windy. My hands were frozen and it was even hard to press buttons on my camera.
Guys, it's so freezing in here. I flew a drone. We took so many good pictures. The sunset's gonna be amazing in here, but we gotta go. We gotta keep going. But this place is amazing. It's so beautiful.
Sunset was truly amazing. We could see the sun goes down far behind the ocean. Nick was driving most of the time, so after the sunset we switched. And here's what happened at night.
This night I hit a bear.
Yes, fellas, I hit a freaking bear.
It was just a boring road. We were going straight, and on the side of the road I realized like a black spot, something black, and then literally in a second later that black thing was on the road, and I realized that it was a bear, and it was like I don't know, 15 feet from me. So I pressed my brakes, but it didn't help. I hit him with the left side of the car. We stopped, everybody woke up, and I was like, what the fuck is going on? And I said, oh, I hit the bear. And Nikita said, keep driving, keep going, because it's a small bear and his mom could be here. So we drove maybe another half a mile and stopped to see what's going on with the car. The half of the front bumper is gone, headlight is working, everything else is fine. The good lesson of it, personally for me, that when we were renting the car, we were deciding to take the full coverage or not to take. The difference in price was $200. To fix the car, it's probably gonna cost like around, I don't know, $5,000.
So we took a full coverage. Our next stop was Airplane Home, the actual plane which stays in the woods and has the owner who lives in it.
We got to this place where Google Maps showed us, and I think the plane, actually we checked on Google Maps, it's somewhere there, but Oh, you can see it from here. I can see the plane from here. Look. So we will go there and we will knock into the door. But look at this. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. Look at this. Wow. It smells so good, so fresh. It's kind of cold here. It's like 40 degrees. So we got our jackets and we're going up this way. We finally got to this airplane home, and looks insane. I don't know how to get it inside and where's the main entrance, but we'll figure this out. So the owner is not answering. We don't even know if he is here or no. I tried to scream like hello, hello, but there is no answer. So we'll probably just hang around here for 15 minutes, take some cool pictures, videos, and we will go. But man, this is just insane. Wow. So the owner didn't open the door for us, but I think he's still there because we've heard waters coming out from the plane. I don't know, he has his own stuff, but anyway, we shoot amazing videos, some cool photos, drone shots. Man, that was amazing.
Full of emotions, we were ready for the next adventure. But Vova got really sick last night and decided to go back. So we dropped him off at the airport car rental and continued our way to Seattle. Just two of us, me and Nick. Spent all day driving, we finally made it. 6 p.m.
Welcome to Seattle, we're finally here. So we take down our seats so we can put our sleeping bags inside the car and sleep tonight.
We cleaned our car and prepared it for the night. Then we went to meet with a local creator, Melissa.
Hi.
Hi.
And we'll get some pizza.
We had a dinner and a little conversation. She showed us many cool spots where to go and what to see around Seattle. And we decided to go for a little hike to the waterfall tomorrow morning.
So Melissa, she's a nice girl and she told us so many places around here where to go. Even right now we'll go shooting at night, maybe night time lapses around here, and tomorrow we will meet in the morning like at 6 a.m. and we'll go hiking. Also she showed us her pictures at one lake, another lake, third lake, so there are so many good places to visit in here, and hopefully we can see as much as we can tomorrow, because we have time until Sunday and we have to return car on Monday at 11 p.m. So we still have time.
I'll never, never, never. To that I swear.
We walked around the city for a little bit, took some pictures and enjoyed our first time in this beautiful state. We were exhausted, so we went to the nearest truck stop. This is where we're going to sleep tonight. It is my first night in the sleeping bag in the car, and tomorrow will be a new day, full of adventures, fun, and unforgettable memories.
Yes, I
That's
wanna
how
tell-
we're rolling. That's how we're rolling.
He is fucking annoying.
Yes, I'm fucking annoying.
And all the people